So in this topic today we are going to learn about buildings and places. Buildings and places means bhavan evam sthan. So what are the vocabulary related buildings and places? Let's learn with an example. So let's start. First we will learn in English, then its meaning in Hindi we are going to learn. So number one example is airport. Airport in Hindi, Hawai Adda. Second, bakery. Bakery and its meaning in Hindi is naan bai ki dukai. Number third, bank. Bank and in Hindi we call it adhikosh. Number four, bungalow. Bungalow and its meaning in Hindi is bangla. So here the different sound bungalow and bangla, right? Next is number 5, church. Church and its meaning in Hindi is girja ghar. Number 6, fort. Fort and its meaning in Hindi is kila durg. Number 7, hospital. Hospital and Hindi we call it as aspatal. 8 number, hotel. Hotel and Hindi. Number 9, market. Market and its meaning in Hindi is bazaar. Number 10, mosque. Mosque and its meaning in Hindi is masjid. Number 11, restaurant. Restaurant and in Hindi and its meaning is bhojanalay. Number 12, school. School in Hindi vidyalay. Number 13, station. 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 Number 14, temple. Temple and Hindi we call it mandir. Number 15, theatre. Theatre and in Hindi we call theatre as rangshala. Number 16, zoo. Zoo in Hindi we call it chidiya ghar.